A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means shape.
Apple means shape.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means gend.
Ball means gate.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means billy.
Cat means billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means kutta.
Dog means kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means hathi.
Elephant hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means machli.
Fish means machli.
G for goat.
G for goat.
Goat means bakri.
Goat means bakari.
H for hen.
H for hen.
Hen means murgi.
Hen means murgi.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means ice cream.
I for means ice cream.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
Jeep means jeep.
Jeep means jeep.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
Kangaroo means kangaroo.
Kangaroo means kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means sher.
Lion means share.
M for monkey.
N for monkey.
Monkey means bandar.
Monkey means mandar.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means ghosla.
Nest means ghosla.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means santra.
Orange means santra.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Parrot means tota.
Parrot means tota.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means rani.
Queen means rani.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit means khargosh.
Rabbit means khargosh.
S for ship.
S for ship.
Ship means jahaj.
Ship means jahaz.
T for train.
T for train.
Train means railgadi.
Train means train gadi.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means chhatri.
Umbrella means chhatri.
V for vegetables.
V for vegetables.
Vegetable means sabzi.
Vegetable sabji.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means ghadi.
Watch means gadi.
X for Christmas tree.
X for Christmas tree.
Christmas tree means Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means yak.
Yak means yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Zebra means zebra. Subscribe for more video.